Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off ad blocker in Chrome. So ad blocker is an extension. So it's easy to turn it off. So you will see here at the top right menu the puzzle icon. So in here, you will see here the extensions you have. Now to move the ad blocker from the puzzle icon, just click the pin icon. There you go. So once it is here outside, as you can see over here, it says that you have nothing to block in here. So let's try opening a website like youtube.com, and then you will now see here the ad blocker is active. So there are many numbers here that the ad blocker has blocked. So let's turn it off. Just click the ad blocker, and then you will see here the post icon, and just click that one. But to fully turn it off, what you need to do is to go back to your puzzle icon, and then let's unpin the ad blocker. And then you will see here the more options, the remove from Chrome. So just go ahead and remove that from Chrome, and it will be automatically turned off. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.